Kono mechalu show about Evangelist Ebuka Obi maintaining grace here n'elu okwute. Okwefu na even Father Okunerere nwekwuru enu okwute nke ye ebe ọ na-edine. So can you tell me what is the similarities between these two men? What it shows is that even other powerful men of God nwekwa sacrifices fana undertake for them to still carry the grace I can carry today. Wash and cable be nke Okunerere ka ifu na almost the same thing. Wash.
Sacrifice. You know, without sacrifice.
If you put it.
There are many dimensions of God. Yes. You may know this one, we don't know.
If you want to put it.
Effectively, I don't even know. For that reason, I don't even know how it. Something inside it. So even Father Okunerere so maintain grace here. Efuria for the name je we mu Evangelist Ebuka Obi onu che na ko we wuru oga onye ona wu a real and a genuine man of God. A lot of them are subject to some kind of sacrifices. That is what makes them different from you. Yes. Don't you think that no really something you may have do different from you? Onya melu had you not carry that grace. When they share part of that grace, hana carry it up na their grace, a good fortune will be before you, or salvation, deliverance, or whatever will be your testimony. Okay, if you go the same thing with the Father Okunerere, the same thing I'm sure with some of these Holy Ghost fathers in Afo. That is what they go through. They suffer their flesh to be able to serve you better. Or he failed Jamuamu on the maintaining grace challenge because no feel no so Ebuka Obi na-eme can even get a addition. Okay, forget korokoro. So Father Okunerere is also maintaining his grace. He's also maintaining his grace the same way. He discourse or just show you around the and if we be fad the phone ya batanime toilet we batanime be fad e bon je dinerana wele me cross do na ebe am even e bon je dinerana wele meditate with his maker for your own good. You got to go. So ngwa una yeme Father Okunerere maintaining grace challenge una yeme us Evangelist Ebuka Obi onu ha na ebe Evangelist Ebuka Obi no do controversial of fewa daba una yeme menu nienu Father Okunerere maintaining grace menu nie una yeme mo fodu de Catholic no ni mu ya he pull out maka ife ona fado nu melu na ultimate ebe o no fado nu nwe nke akeda una nwere ike jizi because of na fado nu na the same thing Ebuka Obi na eme we na yala anya una yeme the other go you people will learn and you will learn in a better way o carry he to a ka baba finish go the assignment ya na Enugu the other go na ko ye kene so ni ekene ye Okunerere ekene so ni we bekwata ka obia kene ye ayi enu update about the city baba to Enugu and the back to Lagos. E mana ha na-enyezi update him as the hot now. Ana m emezi ife future analyze ya m keshie ka ngwugwu we buputa. The other go oya dun.
Afrom ndị na-ebe Nmiri Eweilo na-erizige mmiri iwe na-ahapụge bikonu ezuga ada-enye update ọnụ elu and onye akpata anọ na-awụ ndị mmadụ update cha nke fa ezuga we bịa drop nke because n'ife anyị na-enye ewu verified news oteka na-apịa Adam ekwu because na ndị ọzọ na-ekwu onye ka o ji eme ndị ọzọ kwucha nke fa by then I conclude shanam findings about my own then nkwuye for ndị na-ekwu na-ahapụgo Nmiri Eweilo the real update is that na Nmiri Eweilo ka nọ na Ọka ahapụbụghị. In fact ebu Nmiri Eweilo bịa na ịgbarịa m bịa conductor search na be yọdago ebu Nmiri Eweilo bịa be bịa conduct research na be. But guess what? I have oke ite. I have ife a na-achọ because na nyanwa do against oke ite from mpacha mbụ. Ọ dị against oke ite. So ofe ife nji eyo chukwu na amala anya biko si nya mee ka ize mmiri Eweilo nke taa na nke echi. Because no deserve you know with these guys ebe afano. Who because no nyawo no solo funwa dibia condemn lo alwa nda na eme all in the name of omenala. O condemn lo okite, o condemn lo nwa ajo ogwu a, condemn umu oke alusia. Umunna anyị na-eje ebunata na ala Igbo. Except no muscular any intelligent information, any except no muscular any information government make or no there is something that we don't know. And because we are talking about the security of an Igbo, let the law take its course. But minus that, I know that Nmiri Eweilo will come out because Odro mischievous as Ndozo. And that is why majority of the women are not like Ejiwe like here. I like her because no for the messages here are favorable to them. You know what I go? For the message on the favorable to them. So Nmiri Eweilo is not their is not the favorite to some of them. You know what I go? So a search was conducted in his house near Bariam, and I know that they will not find anything because he doesn't indulge in that particular thing financial. Nmiri Eweilo against Okite. You know what I mean? So that is why in Nigeria say Chineke meebele say hapo ye. It deserve he na ebe ndo ọzọ no. You know even nebu. Oge mmelu video maka arrest Nmiri Eweilo na-efie. A lot of umokoko expect can ebe akwa. You are celebrating the arrest of your brother. You are celebrating the arrest of your brother. Umokoko. Also Nmiri Eweilo wonya arrest go na Igbo. A lot of umokoko ni na ho mgba arrest Ogechi. I saw a lot of them rejoicing and jubilating. Rejoicing and jubilating. A lot of them wounded na abia na inbox abia wish him that one day that they can't wait to see me ever arrest them. Those are the same people. You ought to go. Okay, for arrest I akusinata. Arrest ka arrest we jide onye ndo. Arrest ka arrest we jide onye ochi. Arrest ka emelu we jide onye gburu mmadụ. And even in our nwanne mmadụ, nwanne mụ na wuru ndị Igbo. You ought to so no onye mi ife ọjọọ aka akpali Ezeaku dere ka o wee nwee ike wee kwuo onye shibere ya ọsọ. You ought to so the update is that there is Nmiri Eweilo. You ought to go. But from a reliable information that he will soon be, because now if I follow them doors, I follow a bed. You ought to go. If I follow them doors, I'm not gonna follow a bed. And that is what we are talking about. That is what we are talking about. Update your owner in all from Ezugo Global TV. Ezugo make sure no Ezugo actually here. Yela hobola. You ought to go. I have a fake news. That is why you're not fear. You will know why until now that you ought to go.